As time passes, my dear brothers and sisters, after these minor signs develop, plots and plans will be carried out by enemies of this religion, outside of it and within it. Outside of it and within it. A lot of the scholars agree that the first of the major signs will be the Mahdi. Who is Al-Mahdi? Al-Mahdi, literally in Arabic, Al-Mahdi means in English, the awaited one and the anointed one. So the chosen awaited one. His name is Muhammad. You'll find this hadith in Sahih Muslim. Rasul says his name is like my name and his father's name is like my father's name. So his name is Muhammad, the son of Abdullah. And he resembles the Prophet ﷺ not in his physical form but in his character. He resembles the Prophet ﷺ in his character. Allah said about the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ, you, O Muhammad, are on an amazing character.